Hi. What are you doing?
Go home.
You want to go open your Pompey?
Pompey open.
Are you eating chips? Jesse?
Chips.
Tell me something. Show me.
Eat my chips.
You'd rather sit on the box and eat your chips. Okay. Right, Jesse? Eating lunch? Are you smiling? Hi.